Namaskar. Welcome everyone to Snake Master. 4 or 5 workers had come to an open yard to deepen an old well. While they were working, they heard a commotion made by some mongooses. When they looked up at a betel nut palm entwined with pepper vines, they noticed that although several mongooses were on the ground, there were snakes among the thick pepper vines near the top of the tree. Now let us take a look at that spot. A snake has reared its head from the thick pepper vines. I think this is a withered betel nut palm, and there is a bird's nest at the top. The snake may be preparing to climb up the trunk and prey on the chicks in the nest. Let us take a closer look. As I said, the palm tree has withered and there is a bird's nest above. What these brothers here told us was correct. They said there was more than one snake, and now we can clearly see 2 snakes among the pepper vines. It has moved to the other side. Let me go around and have a look. I think both snakes are cozying up to each other, but they are both looking downward. Why is that? Wonderful. No wonder they are looking down. Below them, a Russell's viper is slithering around the trunk of the tree. Now this Russell's viper is also looking down cautiously. Anyway, it is not paying any attention to us. In my opinion, this viper may not have climbed up the tree in search of food. It is flicking its tongue continuously, sensing the presence of the mongooses below. I think it climbed the tree to escape from them. The cobras above must also have noticed the viper. On the other hand, the cobras themselves may have climbed the tree in search of food. One cobra is slowly making its way down, while the other is staying where it is. The snakes are unlikely to remain on the tree for long because the sun is getting hotter. At first I noticed only one cobra, but the brothers here told me there was more than one snake, and now we have found 3. Let me try to rescue this Russell's viper first. A Russell's viper can leap away at the slightest touch. That is one of the unique characteristics of its reflexes. Here is the viper. Its body is wet, so it must have been lying in a waterlogged area. It rained both yesterday and today. It may have been resting near a canal or pond before climbing the tree. The rain has also drenched its body. Let me secure the snake in a bottle first. Once the sun shines directly on the cobras above, they too will start coming down. Could someone please bring me a bucket or a sack? If I had not come back immediately, this snake too would have climbed down. Look, one of the cobras is coming down. Please note that this is happening very close to human settlements. The cobra is slowly descending. We have already caught one snake, and now the next one coming down is a cobra. It may try to jump into the water because snakes often return by the same route they came. Oh, it is climbing back up again. I have managed to catch it, but I could not see its head. Catching a snake without seeing its head is risky. Many accidents happen that way. This snake's body is also wet. It must have been exposed to this morning's rain. This is a healthy female cobra. Nothing has attacked it. It probably climbed the tree when this area became flooded with rainwater. Around that time, it must also have noticed the mongooses. I cannot say for certain whether the mongooses actually tried to attack these snakes. When mongooses cannot find enough food in the wild, they often enter residential areas in search of food, and they may attempt to attack snakes like these. This female cobra is about 4 years old. Let me secure it in the bottle as well. After that, we shall bring down the other cobra. For that, we may need a coconut plucking pole. So I am bottling this snake now. Now we shall bring down the remaining cobra using the plucking pole. And here we have caught the other cobra as well. This one is not as long as the previous cobra. Its body looks glossy after getting rained on, and it is in excellent health. This is also a female. Now I shall introduce all 3 snakes together. Let me move to a cleaner, more open area so I can explain them properly. These are the 3 snakes we rescued just now. This Russell's viper could easily have become the meal of either one of these cobras. Fortunately, that did not happen because we reached here in time, thanks to the workers who informed us. Every snake rescuer and snake expert knows that cobras eat rat snakes, common kraits, young pythons, Russell's vipers, checkered keelbacks, and even other cobras. So this is a rare rescue in which we caught 2 cobras and a Russell's viper from the same tree. Now I shall bottle the snakes one by one. If any of them escapes now, we may not be able to catch it again. The Russell's viper is now safely inside the bottle. As many of you know, its venom is more dangerous than that of a cobra. Now notice the color difference between these 2 cobras. Let me bottle them now. They are already sitting here frightened by the mongooses. Now only one more snake remains to be bottled. You can see that it is a healthy cobra. It is quite aggressive. Now all 3 snakes are safely secured in the bottles. We shall meet again in the next episode with another unique rescue. Until then, our journey continues. Namaste.